Hello, future doctors. Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of NEET biology. Today, we are diving deep into biomolecules, specifically focusing on polysaccharides. These complex carbohydrates are fundamental to life, playing crucial roles from energy storage to structural support. We'll explore this topic across 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, and hardest, building your understanding step by step to master it for your NEET exams. Let's begin. Ready to unlock the basics of these giant sugar molecules? Let's start with the simple definitions and key examples of polysaccharides. On this slide, we define polysaccharides as large, complex carbohydrates made from many simple sugar units, called monosaccharides, linked by glycosidic bonds. Think of them as long chains of glucose beads. They are generally insoluble and not sweet. Key examples include starch, cellulose, glycogen, and chitin. Understanding these fundamental characteristics is your first step to mastering this topic. Now, let's look at the main types and their roles. We have storage polysaccharides like starch in plants and glycogen in animals, which are crucial for energy reserves. Then there are structural polysaccharides like cellulose, which forms plant cell walls, and chitin, found in insect exoskeletons and fungal cell walls. These provide essential support and protection to organisms. Time to test your foundational knowledge. Here are 3 practice questions. Take a moment to answer them and reinforce what you've just learned about the basics of polysaccharides. Good luck! Great job with the basics. Now, let's step up and explore the structural nuances and functional implications of different polysaccharides. We'll begin by examining how monosaccharide units link together. Glucose is a common building block, and the formation of glycosidic bonds involves dehydration. Crucially, the alpha versus beta orientation of glucose at carbon 1 dictates the entire polymer's structure, leading to different linkages like alpha 1,4 or beta 1,4. This small difference has huge biological consequences. Next, let's compare storage polysaccharides, starch and glycogen. Starch in plants has 2 forms, unbranched amylose and branched amylopectin, both with alpha 1,4 linkages. Glycogen in animals is even more highly branched than amylopectin, with frequent alpha 1,6 branch points, allowing for very rapid glucose release vital for quick energy. Moving to structural polysaccharides, cellulose is a linear, unbranched polymer of beta-glucose, forming strong fibers due to extensive hydrogen bonding. Humans can't digest it, making it fiber. Chitin, made of N-acetylglucosamine, also has beta 1,4 linkages and provides rigidity to arthropod exoskeletons and fungal cell walls. These beta linkages create tough, indigestible structures. You've now explored the detailed structures and functions of key polysaccharides. Here are 5 practice questions to help you apply this medium-level understanding. Pause the video, try them out, and solidify your knowledge. Excellent work! Ready to analyze deeper? Let's connect the intricate structures of polysaccharides to their diverse biological functions and metabolic pathways. On this slide, we dive into the structure-function correlation. The alpha versus beta glycosidic linkages determine the polymer's overall conformation: helical for energy storage, starch, glycogen, or linear for structural strength, cellulose. Branching also impacts metabolic rate, with more branches allowing faster glucose release. Hydroxyl groups, through hydrogen bonding, govern solubility and mechanical properties. Next, we differentiate between homopolysaccharides, made of one type of sugar like starch or cellulose, and heteropolysaccharides, made of multiple types. Examples of heteropolysaccharides include glycosaminoglycans like hyaluronic acid and heparin, crucial for the extracellular matrix, and peptidoglycan, vital for bacterial cell walls. These diverse compositions enable highly specialized biological roles. Now, let's connect these to biological significance and metabolism. Polysaccharides are central to energy dynamics, with tightly regulated synthesis and breakdown. They provide structural scaffolding, like cellulose in plants. On cell surfaces, heteropolysaccharides in glycocalyx are key for cell recognition and communication. We also touched upon specialized roles like heparin as an anticoagulant. You've successfully navigated the hard concepts. Here are 7 challenging questions to test your analytical skills and ability to connect different aspects of polysaccharide biology. Take your time to think them through. Congratulations on reaching the hardest level. Prepare to delve into the most complex aspects of polysaccharides, exploring competitive depth, advanced mechanisms, and real-world applications. We begin with advanced glycosidic linkages and conformational dynamics. The stereochemistry of the anomeric carbon dictates the 3D architecture, leading to helical or extended forms. Rotational freedom around these bonds, studied by techniques like NMR, defines their flexibility. We also consider the vast diversity of lesser-known linkages that contribute to complex glycan structures. Next, we unravel complex heteropolysaccharides and glycoconjugates. Glycosaminoglycans, GAGs, like heparin and hyaluronic acid, with their repeating disaccharide units and negative charges, form hydrated gels. Proteoglycans, with GAGs linked to proteins, are crucial for the extracellular matrix. Glycoproteins and glycolipids on cell surfaces are vital for cell recognition, immunity, and signaling. This slide covers biosynthesis, degradation, and clinical significance. Polysaccharide synthesis uses activated sugar precursors and specific enzymes. Degradation relies on glycosidases, with lysosomal enzymes being key for GAG breakdown. Defects in these led to lysosomal storage diseases like mucopolysaccharidosis. Glycogen metabolism is also precisely regulated by hormones for glucose homeostasis. Finally, let's explore industrial, biotechnological, and biomedical applications. Cellulose is used in paper and biofuels. Starch in food and bioplastics. Chitin chitosan in wound dressings and water purification. Alginates and agar are food thickeners. Heparin and hyaluronic acid have therapeutic uses. This vast array of applications highlights the immense utility of polysaccharides beyond basic biology. You've absorbed a wealth of advanced knowledge. Here are the first 5 challenging questions to push your understanding to its limits. Analyze each scenario and provide comprehensive answers. And here are the remaining 5 questions to further test your expertise. These require deep critical thinking and synthesis of multiple concepts. Good luck with these ultimate challenges. You've completed an in-depth exploration of polysaccharides, from basic concepts to advanced applications. Your dedication to mastering these biomolecules is commendable. For more such comprehensive educational content, practice questions, and interactive learning experiences, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and more insightful lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing towards your NEET goals.